Hey, and good day, everyone. This is Here to Stay Homes, where we aim to showcase stunning homes, architecture, and design. I would like to add that I'm a real estate agent with Watson Referral Realty Inc., and I'm here to assist you with your real estate needs. So without further ado, today we are coming to you all the way from the Sunshine State, the Free State, the great state of Florida. We are in Jacksonville, Florida with this one. And funny enough, everyone knows that Florida is like a nonstop vacation, but sometimes we do have days like this where the Lord blesses us with rain. And we all know without rain, things don't grow. So walk with me throughout this stunning, beautiful model home that they have available for you to come see at the Seaton Creek Lennar homes. So I decided to come and just take a walk through. And I mean, it was really a great home, great floor plan. So just kind of walk through with me. This is actually one of the bedrooms, right? When you walk in the door, it's to the right and it has that little nook right there where you can put a desk or something like that, just like they did with a dresser. Just a nice little area. Or even maybe put a small chair there with a little rug. It can be a little reading nook. I love reading. So I'm always thinking about little places where you can read. So that's just really nice. Here goes a closet to the left, and we're coming out of this room. And to the right, that is a bathroom. We're going to see it in a minute. And right now we are walking into what they have set up as an office. It could be another bedroom. And look at that closet, nice size closet. Perfect size for, like, they set it up as an office or a kid's room or a guest room. It can be really anything. All the bedrooms in this home honestly have a really good size to them. I like the design of this office. It's a nice balance with those two pictures on the side of that bookcase. Very nice balance. I like that. It looks like you can get some work done in this office. And that's the point, right? Working hard or hardly working. Something is happening in that office. And like I said, guys, here is the bathroom. I'm sorry. Restroom. Oh. Okay, so yes, I don't know why that bathroom, that just kind of threw me off that I even said that. But yes, a bathroom, nice toilet, shower tub combo. Okay, and I'm walking out again into the main hallway as soon as you walk into the home. Getting a good view of that. And into the foyer. So when you have your guest over, this is pretty much what they see when they first walk into the home. And it really does make a statement. It's a nice closet there. Storage is a must. We have to have storage. And they have a lot of closets in this home, which I like and I appreciate for homes to have good storage so that I can collect more things that I don't need. I'm just kidding. Let's not overconsume, guys. Buy what you need. Okay, anyways, I'm kidding. So this is right here is a nice dining area. It is an open floor plan. And the dining area is not small and cramped. Of course, that's what you get with open floor plans. It's nice if you're having guests over, some type of gathering. We can have friends sitting on the couch and sitting at the table eating, and people can sit at the bar stools. It's just a lot of space, and it's great for entertaining. For those of you who love to entertain, I like to host myself. So I like open floor plans where I can see everyone, talk to everyone, be in everybody's conversation. I don't have to feel left out. So this is really nice. And They have luxury countertops. Very nice. I mean, crisp, clean, nice size pantry. Is just really well done. Very crisp. Very crisp. That's what I think about when I'm looking at this kitchen. Just crisp. Moving our way back into the back of the home. And this right here, when it comes to spaces that I just really, I can see myself being in this room. I can see myself being here, sitting at this table, maybe reading the Bible in the morning. I'm not sure. You know, it's so many things. If you're a coffee drinker, you can sit here and have your morning coffee. The kids will love this area because it's like, it feels like you're outside, but you're not outside. You're not getting bit up by mosquitoes, and everybody here knows how bad the mosquitoes can get. But honestly, this neighborhood is so nice. Maybe they don't have mosquitoes. They might not have them. Is that a possibility? Maybe. I don't know. But look at this owner's suite. This is grand. It makes a statement. It is a very nice size. Look how open this is, and airy and light. And it's always nice when a room has that natural light to come in. There are enough windows in this room to kind of filter in some of that light from outside, which always makes such a nice space. And this is another bedroom. I'm just kidding. It's the closet. It's so big you might mistake it for a bedroom, but it's not. Look, I don't want you to say that you don't have anywhere to put your things. This house has it. This house has it. That closet right there, I mean, you can fit all your things in there, his and hers. It's huge. It's huge. Here's the bathroom and the linen closet right over here to the right when you walk in. Look at this dazzling tub, this dazzling counters. Look at this. Enough space to put all of your soaps, lotions, moisturizers, perfumes, colognes, anything you need. You have enough storage. And if you have too many things for the countertop, guess what? Put it inside of the cabinets underneath. They've given you enough space to do it all. And who wouldn't want to soak in that tub? Nice size shower. I like the size of this this bathroom, guys. Why do I keep saying restroom? We are not at the gas station. Wow. I mean, this would be an ideal bathroom if they had a toilet. Where is it? I wonder. Is it behind? Look. Did y'all know? Did you know? So another thing, I don't want to say must-haves because, you know, I just don't want to say this is a must-have, but this is one of those features in a home where I'm just like, if I have a water closet, I think I'm set. I think I'm set. We can all live in a one-bedroom home as long as that bathroom has a water closet. Okay, coming out of this spectacular owner suite into the main area of the home again. So just a little bit about what you would get to enjoy if you choose this community. You can take a dip at their resort style pool, go and get your workout on in their fitness center, or even go and get pickled over at their sport court, including tennis and pickleball courts. Other amenities include a playground for the kiddos, a picnic area, and a clubhouse. And friends, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can be alerted when I post something new. Also, feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this home and this model. And it is a Lennar home in the Seaton Creek neighborhood. This is another bedroom. And like I said, the bedrooms inside of this home are just, I think all of them had great size to them. And there's also a bathroom inside of this room as well, to the left or to the right if you're walking in. I didn't even comment on the flooring. I should have in the beginning, but okay, this is the restroom. This is the restroom. A nice shower tub combo again. The flooring is seamless throughout the entire home. Very uniform. Nice color choice that they have chosen. A very classic look. Very classic. You can make this home your own. So coming out of this room, okay, and before I end this, thanks again to our friends over here at Lennar Homes at Seaton Creek at 1401 Gwinnett Lane, Jacksonville, Florida, 32218. And keep in mind that they have different models than the model you viewed today. So listen, if you're in the market for a new home in this community, or if you need assistance in the area of real estate, I'm here for you. Below is my email. Contact me with any questions or comments. I want to hear from you. And I want to end by saying, at Here to Stay Homes, although we appreciate beautiful design made by human hands, we also understand that there is no better designer than the Lord Jesus, and we aim to glorify him in all that we do.